This is Engineer Wycliffe Odhiambo. I am in Nairobi. I came to install a 5 kVA solar system. So here we are. You can see that one is the inverter, the Snuddy inverter. This Snuddy inverter is a 5 kilowatts. So you can also see the battery. Battery ratings are there. You can see rated energy is 5.12 kilowatt hour. And then the combiner box. This is the combiner box. You can see the combiner box. Though sijaifunika, but naifunika. So that is it. And then I want you to see. So you can see this client aliunda very good casing ya kuweka hizo system. So ziko pale ndani, very neat. Thank you. If you need this type of job, you can call me through 0707476602. We install it using 8 solar panels. They are there at the roof. Bye.